Alright guys, so we're heading over to John George Steakhouse.
Don't have to have that much fun.
I think it's bad visuals at night.
Yeah.
And you get one of those light attachments. All I need. The girl on the card ain't coming. Cosmo. I told him we're gonna head over there about 9. Dinner's at 9:45.
Yeah. No, we're just going up here. No, we're up here.
No, we're gonna go right here to those jobs. And they're paying for extra sheriffs today, huh? Or Metro, I guess. They're not sheriffs, are they?
Oh, you gotta get one more.
This is like the Aria Mall.
Make that Louis V.
Alright guys, we're at the lovely John George Steakhouse. We're about to have some bomb eats. So we're having some of the best bread in the world right here. Some delicious butter. Nice table, some wine, some drinks.
Hi folks, what do we think? How's the calamari?
Very good.
Very good?
Excellent.
Good working on that.
Yes, good, perfect.
Yeah.
If you don't know what you're looking at, you don't know what it is.
Got Mercury Head Dime here. Part of the bottle, name of the wine. Pretty awesome. Potatoes, right?
This is an F1 New York.
Truffle mac.
Yes, that's an F1.
Mike said he did.
Tomahawk.
There's your
steak.
crispy ends.
Mike said he gave $100.
Wonderful sauces. Wine. Good friends. And a sober Ken up right now. Got some dessert, apple pie, ice cream.
Wow, that's amazing.
Looks like a lemon and a lime, but it's
Isn't
really
that
white
crazy?
chocolate on the outside. And what was the rest?
I'm astonished. Wow.
Passion fruit compote on the inside.
Passion fruit on the inside. Beautiful. Delicious. I had the lemon one last time. It was lovely. Now listen. I can't do it. I can never do him.
Listen.
Got the snatch your mug shot. Hi, brother. Ready? Yeah.
Cash out.
Let me go back and scratch out. Okay. I need a cab to Mandalay, right? Yeah. Okay.
See you tomorrow.
All right, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning. All right, everyone. We are checking out. I realized I didn't really give you all a room tour. So let's go take a look around together. So boom, as we come in, a little hallway. Got some cool artwork. There's a little mini bar. It's probably like 15 bucks for a bottle of water and some coffee. And you get your little bar inside here. Some liquor and soda. Probably some candy bars and all that kind of stuff. You want to pay, you know, 8 bucks for a Snickers. You can have at it. Little view. Windows are a little blocked, so not too much, but you can see MGM, that's where I'm heading next, is Excalibur. We're gonna go stay there for the night before I head home in the morning. It's Sunday, so we're checking out of Mandalay Bay. It's a really nice hotel. I enjoyed it. A lot of places to eat. We had a lot of fun here. I got a buddy staying over at Bellagio, and some other family and friends staying over at New York. So it's been a blast of a weekend. We're gonna go downtown today and go see the freak show down there. If you guys have ever been to downtown Vegas, it's a pretty wild scene. So we're gonna go check that out. Anyway, here's the bathroom. Got a nice little tub. Even though I kind of have an aversion to using tubs that a million people have been in, so I just use the shower. The shower is terrific. The shower head is wonderful. Shoots out nice pressure. Nice tile. Not sure how recently these were upgraded, but looks like decent quality amenities in here. I have no complaints. Nothing's really like dirty, dingy, or anything like that. Little bathroom, toilet room. Sink. There's the bed. It's much nicer when you come in because I slept on it the last 2 nights, so it's a little roughed up. And got your closet, safe, iron. You even get another little closet over here, so got pretty nice closet space in here. Last night we went to that John George Steakhouse. It was phenomenal. If you guys are ever in Vegas and want to have a nice meal, I can't recommend that place enough. Just the staff, the service, the food, all of it. 5 stars for that place, easy, all day. And that's pretty much it. You know, we got a couple chairs, radio, little plug-in for all your electronics. There's my GoPro batteries, don't want to forget that. And we're out of here. So I'll show you guys the room when we get over to Excalibur. And I'll also have quite a bit of footage from downtown today. So see you guys soon.